Today we will discuss about NOT gate. NOT gate is the one of the general logical gate. NOT gate contains negative signs, complement of output, symbol of logical gate. Symbol of logical NOT gate. Logic symbol. NOT gate should be like a diode, but it contains bubble. So we take input A, then output comes y equal to A bar. Here A bar is the complement of A. Truth table of NOT gate. We know that truth table consists of input and output rows. Here we take only one input A, then output comes y equal to A bar. Here we used one variable 2 power n, that implies 2 power 1 equal to 2. So two combinations occurs 0 1. 0 complement is 1 and 1 complement is 0. Timing diagram. Here truth table we take two different times in two different values. Two different values of variable, two different values of single variable, two different combinations T1 T2. Timing diagram. In above truth table we take two different times T1 and T2. Variable A, output y equal to A bar. Here truth table we take A is 0 1. The timing diagram should be low level to high level. The complement of 0 is 1, 1 is 0. The output comes high level to low level. This is the timing diagram of NOT gate. In about truth table. Finally, suppose we take AND gate of two input variables. AND gate is nothing but a multiplication gate. So the output will becomes same value. Suppose these two variables 1 1, the output comes 1, but we want complement of 1, then output we add NOT gate symbol, then output will be comes to 0. This is the complement of 1. 0 is the complement of 1 by using NOT gate symbol. In another example, we want a bar by use of a by the AND gate. First we take two input variables of AND gate. Here take input A of xy, the output comes A. Why? Because A. Why? Because this is the AND gate. So general multiplication, the output comes, input is equal to output. Then we want a bar 2, the output will becomes A, input equal to output, but we want a bar, so we will add not symbol, output of AND gate, then it will be transferred to a bar, complement of A. This is the another use of NOT gate. For example, in any sum we want a bar, so we use NOT gate symbol to transfer the A into a bar. Any example? Here AND gate, we take two input symbols, two input variables, the output will become same A, but we want a bar, then we add the NOT symbol end of the AND gate, therefore it transfers to a bar. This is the NOT gate example. Thank you.